Hi, in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get started using Pinterest. Now, Pinterest is more of a picture-based social network. Pinterest is a great platform for those who are more involved in an industry where it's photo-based and most of the content is image-heavy. Although it's not limited to that, you can also use Pinterest for a lot of other industries. To get started, it's real simple. Go to pinterest.com and you can start signing up by using and logging into your Facebook account, or you can create and sign up for an account manually here. Once you've created your account, simply log in, and next you'll land on your main feed where you'll see all these pins. Even though you're not following anyone, you'll probably see some suggestions made by Pinterest. But to start connecting with people and then engaging and finding things of interest, you can simply do a search. So let's say I want to search for social media marketing. I can just type that in and you can see all the images and graphics that are now related to social media marketing. The way it works really is in categories, and with Pinterest, categories are basically boards. Think of it kind of like a scrapbook or a vision board, where anything that someone finds online, they can pin it to these boards so that others can see it, or they can use it for personal and private use only. So you can see all these lists of graphics that are related to social media, and you can see there's infographics. If I click on and hover over it, you can just open it. That'll expand it, maximize it. So this is the content. You can read it. You can see related pins here. Going further down, it'll just expand and show you more related content. So let's go back up. If you go further down, you can also comment. You can see who added it and start following them. So it's a great way to network. In addition, what you want to do is follow the board if you find it of interest, if it inspires you, and you want to make sure you get the latest updates. With Pinterest, you can pin it to your own boards if you find it interesting. So then you can collect your own set of images onto your own board. But firstly, you need to create your own board. So let's go backwards. And to go to your account, you just click on your profile there. This is what my board looks like. You can see the websites that I like, books worth reading, favorite places and spaces, products I love, my blog posts, and cool things. Creating a board is quite simple, and just click on the create a board. Give the board a name. I'm going to just say social media marketing. Give it a description. Infographics. Cool stuff. Okay, I'll leave that as is. Give it a category. I'm just going to choose technology there. You can add a map to it. You can keep it a secret so then no one else can find your board or see your board. And once you're done with that, just click on the create board button. Now that should add it as an additional board to your profile, and you can start pinning. Now just going back to my profile, I can now see the social media marketing board. Obviously there's nothing in it. I can just add a pin by just either uploading it from my device or from the web if you know the URL. Otherwise you can just browse. Let's go back to social media marketing. And let's say I want to pin this to my board. Just click on that, click on the big red pin it button, and then add it to that board that I just created. And then click on pin it. And now that's added there. Now I'm back in my profile, and you can now see that the image has been pinned to my social media marketing board. Now, a great way to gain traffic from Pinterest is to obviously post your own graphics and images so that other people can pin it and then you'll gain traffic back to it. So the way you get exposure, let's say example, this is your image here, people will pin it, lots of other people will pin it and repin it. And by clicking once more, once it's expanded, it'll take you to the original post. As you can see, here's the address bar where the infographic or image came from. This is a source. So imagine this was your site and lots of other people pinned this image here. That's free exposure and traffic for you. And here it is on a blog post here. This in particular is called an infographic, and it's a great way to gain viral traffic. And you can create an infographic in any niche. It's just a list of facts and figures of all sorts, depending really on your industry. That's really how easy it is to start using Pinterest and gain traffic. Sign up for an account and start pinning.